Hey, I'm Johan,
Hey, I'm Devender.
and today we talk about AI. We recently did a webinar on AI, and we thought it would make sense to generate some video collateral um, to talk first about how Steltix works with AI on a daily basis.
Yeah, it was fun to do that webinar, Johan.
Yeah, that was amazing.
Yeah, that was amazing, and we got a lot of response. And then we thought maybe it would be nice to make a video about it because we had a lot of questions,
True,
right?
true. Now, well, and one of the things is that within the ERP landscape, we look different at AI than you would see as marketing or whatever kind of
Hmm.
uh, content generation.
Hmm.
Because within the AI world, I mean, we're talking about system of records,
Hmm.
we're talking about reliability on transactions and
Exactly.
privacy.
Yeah,
Um, and on the other hand, we see that AI is quite overhyped.
exactly. I completely agree with you. So it's more about uh, for a nail you need a hammer, right?
True.
Yeah.
And for a screw, you need a screwdriver.
Yes.
And in some cases, we see that people try to apply AI or enable AI, and there's not enable AI. There's not implement AI. It is a very powerful toolbox, and
Exactly.
it would be a waste to throw away AI technology, because it is an incredible powerful thing that we can do nowadays.
Yes, especially with the text, it's really smart. That we have seen
Text,
summarization. We can do code reviews very easily.
yeah,
Uh,
and with MCPs,
yeah,
talk to data and JDAP,
yeah,
just interact with the ERP system.
yeah, exactly.
Um, and but we also see that in the market, I mean, the hype is going down a bit. We heard that Uber in April already was through with their AI budgets.
Yeah,
That's also an easy way to throw your money on the street, I guess.
hmm. Yeah. That's why we want to say, hey, you can just use local models so that you don't burn your money.
True. Also, and about privacy, I guess.
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
one of the other things that we're very concerned with is the whole privacy by design.
Hmm.
Because asking ChatGPT to sort your customers or your financial transactions or whatever goes, or Anthropic or
Hmm.
public AIs,
Hmm.
I would see that as a risk.
Hmm. And we see local models are so powerful, so you can just run them anywhere, on-prem or on cloud as well, right?
True.
There are a lot of providers where they say, hey, you can just
And
run
you're fully in
any open
control.
model. Yes.
And as of yesterday, and we see that the public AIs are about available for 97, 98%.
Hmm.
If you run your own AI model, it doesn't get changed overnight because
No.
somebody had a better model which might respond different.
Yes,
And
exactly.
specifically in an ERP world where you want solid transactions, where you know predictable results,
Hmm.
how your software behaves,
Yeah.
it makes a lot of sense to use local models and get on your own hardware or hire cloud infrastructure. There's many ways to do it, and everything is controlled within your
Hmm.
security,
Hmm.
within your premise, within your
I completely agree on.
premise. Yeah,
I completely agree because in programming we have pure functions where you say for same input you have same output.
yes.
That's exactly what you need for ERP as well. You
Although,
you,
yeah,
you don't want guessing or hallucination there.
it does make sense that it's very flexible, and AI is very powerful to be flexible.
Exactly.
But there are some limitations. Hallucinations are not acceptable
Hmm.
in an ERP landscape or in a business landscape.
Yeah.
So we typically make use of open models like Granite, Cohere, Gamma, Qwen, uh, to rely on. Another big advantage of those models is you can train them with your domain knowledge.
Hmm.
They're easy to prompt. They're relatively fast. They actually have a lot of advantages in a business world
Yeah.
over the public AIs.
Yes. Once you have identified where you want to implement AI, you can just play with the models very easily. You don't burn your tokens uh, on open or sorry on public AI.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Yeah, and you can have your own private infrastructure. It's contained, it's secure.
Yeah.
That is definitely some of the things that are very important.
Yeah, we are at Steltix. We are using these models for a long time now,
Oh, yeah.
and we are prototyping really fast without thinking about the cost and
Sure.
privacy.
Sure. So this is, I guess, what we want to say about the concept, and we'll have some other videos of things that we actually applied and how we apply this in a lot more details and examples. Thank you.
Thank you.